Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can pin a post on Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. Alright, but now let me show you how to pin a post on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your profile by clicking your profile picture on the bottom right corner and then clicking your profile picture again on the top. Then you need to choose the post in question, which you want to be pinned on the top of your page, so that anybody that visits your page basically will see this post first. So I want to pin this post. I'm gonna click on the three dots on the top of the post and just click on pin post. And now basically you're done. Anybody who will visit your page will see this post first. Alright, so all in all, this is how you pin a post on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.